Welcome back with another After Effects tutorial. Today we are going to create an infographic in After Effects. Let's get started. First, create a new composition: 1920 by 1080, resolution 24 frames per second, duration 10 seconds, and hit OK. First, grab the pen tool and create a shape layer and change the stroke color to white. And keep the size 15. Now click on the composition and make the first point and hold Shift to create a straight line. Adjust it downside. Now open the shape layer, click on the Add option, and apply the trim path. Open the trim path, and decrease the end value to 0. Now click the stopwatch icon and apply the keyframe. Now go to 10 frames forward and change the value up to 100. Now select the keyframes and press F9 to ease them. And make your graph like this. Now duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+D. Now hit R for rotation and change the rotation value up to -90. And adjust it to the bottom layer. Check the preview. Now select the second layer and make it duplicate by pressing Ctrl+D. Now drag the shape to the right and increase the size of the stroke. Now change the color as well. Now press U to reveal the keyframes. And change the value at the last keyframe 70%. Now again duplicate the layer and change the trim path value. I am fast forwarding this step so you don't have to wait. Select all the layers and make some space in the comp. In the next step, we will add text below the graphs. I am skipping this part so you don't have to wait. Now check the preview. Adjust the layers for animation and layers will appear after one another. I am skipping this part so you don't have to wait. Right-click, make a new solid. Select the layer and search gradient ramp, hit enter. Change the color according to your need. Check the preview. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel.